What if I told you that you could run your own Tokopedia or Shopee? Without a warehouse, without inventory, and even without a team? Sounds like a fantasy? It's not. In fact, with the digital tools available today, it's more realistic than ever. This isn't about becoming a reseller. This is about becoming a platform owner. About owning the digital mall, not just renting space in it. And all you need to start is already made. In this video, we're not reviewing a product. We're diving into a business model, a real-world opportunity made possible by platforms like Active eCommerce CMS. We'll explore what kind of business this enables, how it makes money, who your ideal customers are, how to run it, and why this model is quietly becoming one of the most powerful forms of digital entrepreneurship. Whether you're a freelancer, an agency, or someone who wants to earn from e-commerce without selling a single product yourself, you're going to want to watch this. What kind of business is this? At its core, Active eCommerce CMS helps you create your own multi-vendor e-commerce platform. Think Amazon, Etsy, or Shopee, but self-hosted, fully branded, and under your complete control. That means you don't sell products directly. Instead, you provide a platform where other vendors can sign up, list their items, and reach customers. In short, you're not the store. You're the mall. Where does the money come from? This model unlocks multiple income streams. Commission per sale, take a percentage from every transaction made by vendors on your platform. Vendor subscription, charge sellers a monthly or yearly fee to access premium features or remain listed. Featured listings, offer placement upgrades so vendors can promote their products. Advertisement space, monetize the front page or category pages with banner ads. Add-on services, upsell things like SEO support, marketing services, or store customization. Unlike typical e-commerce where profits rely on margins and stock management, this business makes money from activity volume and platform access. Who is the target market? Your platform can be tailored to specific niches, which is where the real power lies. Local small businesses that want to go online but don't know how. Crafters, artisans, and niche creators looking for exposure beyond big platforms. Wholesale suppliers seeking a new digital channel to connect with retailers. Drop shippers who need a storefront with built-in traffic. Even influencers or community leaders can start their own curated marketplace for their audience. You decide the niche. You define the rules. You build the ecosystem. How do you run it? Surprisingly, this model doesn't require a big team. Because the vendors upload their own products, manage orders, and handle shipping. Your job is to set up and brand the platform, curate vendors in moderate quality, drive traffic and build trust, optimize user experience and support, grow the ecosystem over time. It's less about logistics and more about community building and platform management. And with tools like Active eCommerce CMS, the technical foundation, multi-vendor login, payment gateway, product management, commissions, is already built in. You're not starting from scratch. You're assembling a system. Why is this a powerful business model? Here's why this is one of the smartest models in the digital space today. Scalable. More vendors equals more listings equals more revenue, without increasing your workload linearly. Low overhead, no stock, no fulfillment, no warehouse costs. Recurring income, monthly subscriptions and repeat vendor payments. Passive potential, with automation, a platform can generate revenue 24/7. Brand ownership, you control the branding, data, and business rules, not a third-party marketplace. While selling one product online is powerful, owning the platform that sells thousands is a different level. This is the metagame of e-commerce. So, let's put this into perspective. A few years ago, setting up a system like this would require a custom-built solution costing tens of thousands of dollars. Teams of developers, months of planning, But today, with platforms like Active eCommerce CMS, the blueprint is already made. You can install it, customize it, launch it, and start inviting vendors, all within days. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need inventory. And you don't even need to hire a big team. What you do need is the vision to build something bigger than just a store. To build a marketplace. Because in the digital world, those who own platforms own the future. If you're serious about building your own online marketplace, for a niche you love, a community you understand, or an industry that needs better options, start here. You can get the source code and tools I've just described through the link in the description. These are affiliate links, but more importantly, they're your launchpad. Your first step toward owning something scalable, modern, and meaningful. Don't wait to be invited into someone else's platform. Build your own.